What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but I can explain myself. The other day when I was trying to edit, I was checking through all my memory cards and realized none of my footage were there. And I realized I had one more memory card and I couldn't find it anywhere, so that vlog is just gone. So yeah, me and Vu were supposed to head to the warehouse and start working on our cars, but Andrew gave me a call and he was like, Thomas, please do me a big favor. Can you drop me off at the event? And if you guys know what I'm talking about, everyone's going to Authenticity today, which is like a big music festival. Not festival, but there's rappers and DJs and stuff. And I'm not going today, I'm going tomorrow, so everyone's leaving me today. And Andrew's like, please drop me off, Thomas, please. And I was like, you know what, Andrew, I'm such a good fucking friend. I'll fucking drop you off, alright? But I'm not gonna pick your ass up. Fuck you, Andrew.
Thanks, buddy. You're a real one.
Look at this guy. Already, while I'm over here like, probably doing nothing, probably just vlogging, working, while this guy's out.
Well, this will be you tomorrow.
But this is you tomorrow too. Could you explain to me who you're seeing today?
Juice WRLD?
Juice WRLD, we seen him, he's good.
Keizo.
You watch Boombox. Boombox Cartel.
Boombox, I guess.
Trust me, Boombox Cartel is good.
Honestly, I'm more of a hip hop guy.
Yeah.
But it's my birthday weekend, so I'm going to get fucked up.
Be safe, my friend.
I will. Thanks for driving me.
Yeah,
well,
later.
Thanks for taking my car.
Alright guys, we're finally at the warehouse. It's just me and Vu today, sadly.
Yeah, because everyone's at audio.
Yep.
You're going tomorrow?
I'm going tomorrow, yeah.
I'm not going any days.
Basically,
I haven't posted in 2 weeks.
I haven't posted since like 8 days, which is like over a week.
Yeah.
And then I was supposed to have a vlog up, but you know, my vlog's gone. So I'm just gonna replace and fix small stuff on the IS. For example, I'm gonna replace these studs. I bought these a couple days ago, and I think I broke my studs like the first day I got it. If you guys don't remember, this car came with like real discs, and they were like bent. So when I was driving, it looks like it's wobbling. So when I took it off, the studs actually broke off. Yeah, so it looks like I broke one here in the rear. I need to double check the fronts because I'm running hub-centric spacers, and maybe one of the stock studs are broken, I'm not sure, and I kind of forgot, so I'm gonna double check on that later. But before we start, I'm actually gonna let the car cool down because I just got here and it's super hot, and everything right now is probably super warm. And I actually forgot to tell you guys, or I probably already did. I don't remember, but just in case I didn't tell you guys, the power steering is fixed. I'll be driving for like 2 days fine, and next day I'll be like, Now that it's fixed, I'm actually really excited to drive this thing every day. Some of you guys actually thought that I lied about ordering coils. I actually did order them. They do take up to a month because I got extreme lows, and when they're stiffer, they have to rebuild and revalve everything. So that's why it takes up to a month. And I should be getting my coils in a couple days. So if you guys haven't subscribed to Vu yet or checked out his channel, please go right ahead and do that. He has a lot more things planned for his 240, so subscribe.
I'm kind of running out of ideas. I mean, I could go wide body, but I don't really like wide body.
Yeah, Vu actually, if you guys didn't know, he actually did order a wide body a long time ago, but he decided not to do it, so.
No, because me and Randy ordered from, I think it was Origin Lab, and we wanted like, I think 50 mils. And then they sent us the wrong one. Actually, no, they said they didn't have any 50 mils left in stock, so they said, oh, can you guys do 75 mils, right? And at that time, I didn't know too much about cars and stuff like that, or mils, sizes, whatever. I was like, sure, I'll do 75 mil. And then when it came in, it's like wide body. Like, you guys seen Randy's car? Yeah, like I was like, I can't do wide body. It's not my thing, you know what I mean?
Just in case some of you guys haven't seen Kevin Drew's new color yet, this is the color. He also changed up his fitment from poke to tuck, because when he was poking, it was ruining his fenders. So since Isaac's here, and he brought a welder, we are going to weld on, or trying to weld on, my new exhaust. It's not new. Ivan gave this to me maybe a couple months ago, maybe half a year ago, and I haven't put it on yet, so we're gonna try to put it on today. And this is a HKS high power. In, out. Since I don't have a washer, I'm gonna use this big ass socket.
What's up, guys? All right, we're gonna weld Thomas's new exhaust on. Not too much.
Woo! All right, so my welds are super ugly. I'm just gonna let Vu finish the rest, and yeah. There you go.
It wasn't made for your car, huh?
No, it's not. It didn't come
That's
out.
why.
Yeah.
That's probably why the hangers are so long. So
Yeah.
probably have to re-weld the hangers on, but we're gonna cut it shorter.
Yeah, basically it's gonna look like this, which is a lot better than that ugly ass pipe right there. Oh, sitting on this hanger, fuck. A lot. It's not gonna be too loud anymore. That one was a straight pipe, so yeah, I think this canister is gonna help out a lot on the noise. So me and Boo actually decided to weld the stuff tomorrow because it's getting super late, and yeah, we need to clean ourselves up, get ready for tomorrow to make another mess for you guys tomorrow because I'm fucking tired. So we're back at the warehouse. This is the next day. The car is already on jack stand. Now we're gonna tack weld into the piping and then take off the whole exhaust so we can weld it off the car because I don't think we'll have enough room in here anyways.
No, you won't be able to hit the top.
Yeah, we're not gonna be able to hit the top, so I don't really trust myself and we suck, as you can tell. So Isaac's actually gonna help us weld it later because
and I'll be here to watch.
but he's probably better than us. Cause yeah, but the thing is, I don't want to drive it, and then next thing you know, my muffler's gone.
Hey, I'm the professional welder here.
So Isaac's gonna do it.
It looks like she has about the same experience as us.
Yeah, we pee everywhere.
Don't stare at the light.
Don't,
Yes.
it fucks up your eyes.
It's bad for you, right?
Yeah, it is. All right, guys. So I don't think it's completely sealed. So Isaac's gonna try to fix that for me. It looks a lot better than before, to be honest. It's not fully done yet, but this is basically what it's gonna look like.
Oh. Did you correct the position?
No, the hangers aren't on yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
But
we're not.
on
Isaac is finishing the rest.
I'm not a pro welder, so don't judge me.
Better than me. So
Cannot expect ourselves to be good at welding if we've never done before.
Yeah.
So it's cool that we have it now so that we can practice.
yeah, Isaac's taking it back because Lou needs it. So
Oh.
yeah,
Oh.
but then when we need it, we can hit them up, you know.
We'll take back everything I just said.
So yeah, I was supposed to be trying to do this myself, but after doing just that little part, no, I'm good. Like when I'm driving, I still want that thing to be there when I get out of the car, you know.
I mean, I can't guarantee that, but,
But
we'll try.
well, your guarantee is higher than mine.
Not that much higher. Like yours is like here, mine is like right.
No. see how ham you were going? I was tapping, but when I tried to go ham, the line still doesn't even go together. Yeah.
I'm trying to get the hanger to make sure it stays on for you.
But what happened with the other one too? Because there's two hangers.
the other ones weren't long enough.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's a lot better. It shakes a lot, huh?
Yeah, I think that's just how it's gonna be.
Huh?
I think that's just how it's gonna be. Because this hanger is not far enough this way to pull it this
Oh.
way. They're both right here, so they're both pulling it this way, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So maybe buy like an add-on thing and we'll try that.
Since the hangers didn't do justice because it kept shaking, Isaac put like a little, what's it called, a little wire? This
Tie
thingy?
wire?
Tie wire, that one, to tie it under there, and now it's super stiff. And I'm happy about that. Thanks, bro.
Got you.
Yeah, so Isaac does have a YouTube channel. What do you post on your YouTube channel?
I don't have much on there, but since I do have a truck, I want to put out a lot more truck content than drifting content. It'll kind of be a balance, but I'm going to be doing a lot of like utility vehicle add-ons to my truck, like adding a tent and like a rack with gas cans, jack, and everything. So when we go to drift events and stuff,
Yeah.
we have everything on my truck.
Yeah, and if you guys don't know, he does have a drift car. He has an E36. I'm gonna post a little picture right here actually. His car's pretty sick, but
Right.
he fucking drives his truck too much, and now his drift car is just at home sitting there.
Yeah, and the registration.
Oh, it's that.
I will be posting a video on actually E36 video coming up soon. I'm gonna post it in like the next 2 days. So
Cool.
look out for that, guys.
So yeah, do me a favor and go ahead and check out his channel. I'm gonna link it on the top right here.
Dude, sounds sick.
It sounds better. Oh,
fuck. Oh yeah, for sure it's deeper.
Do you want to see that? That was getting this poke out, or do you want to see that?
It's nice, it's more subtle.
Yeah.
Knowing myself, running with a lot of slight work. Get pulled over a couple of times. I'd rather go with something that's subtle.
And good news, I got confirmation that my closing coming in 2 days. I'm really excited about that. No more cut springs. The cut spring is actually doing really good right now, but I want to go lower and I want better ride quality, so that thing has got to go. And it's gonna come in 2 days, so I'm really excited about that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by for today's vlog. I know I didn't do much, I'm sorry about that, but parts aren't in yet and money is really hard to come by. So
No, it's not.
yeah, it is.
Just work for it.
Yeah, but I can't do that old job. That's the old me, Vu. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.